Howdy, I want to talk to you about a neat little Chrome extension I found. I was interested in seeing which of my ex-followers were also on Bluesky, and so I did a Google search and was directed to this Chrome extension called Sky Follower Bridge. I installed it and figured out how to do it, and so that's what I'm going to show you in this short video. First thing it asks for is see, here's the plugin. It asks for your handle or email on Bluesky, and then recommends setting up an app password for this. So to get to an app password, let's see if I'll just start at my profile. There's you can go to settings, and then under advanced there's app passwords. You can add an app password, so just some random phrase here, and then it creates an app password for you. And I'll delete this one because I already hooked up the app password. And then go over to the plugin and paste the password here. Okay, so you have your handle on Bluesky and then that app password you just did. And you navigate to your, go to your profile on X, and then your following page here. Now once this is all set up, you just go and find Bluesky users. Because I did it before, I shortcutted some things, but hopefully this will get to the next page properly. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it'll just go through your entire list, and once it's done, I'll save you the time here. It gives you this gives you a button where you can view your users, and once the entire list is done, it'll find. So these are Bluesky profiles that it thinks matches my followers list. So I just went through and did the I kind of checked which one. If it looked like it was the same one, then I just followed them here. I didn't follow everybody because some of them were obviously different people. It just does a text search on handle name, display name, and handle name in the description to see if it can find some matches. But so it got me. I was able to follow a couple dozen people pretty quickly and get my Bluesky profile up and running. This is a good way to jumpstart the people that you follow on Bluesky and start working on that platform. Anyway, hope you like this video. If you liked it, appreciate a thumbs up, and if you like more of these, love for you to subscribe to the channel, and love comments. I try to respond to all of them. Thanks a lot.